Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I just pulled up to the gym and I am going to get an upper body workout in. Usually I just do like biceps, triceps, shoulders and back all in one day. I just don't have enough upper body strength to split up days and do like multiple upper body days a week. I also don't really have the time for that. If you guys are new here, I have a 1-year-old son that keeps me very busy, and I also work full-time, so I just don't have that much time for workouts, so I have to get in what I can when I can. I do have the intentions of bringing you guys along with my workout today. It's gonna kind of depend like how busy the gym is, and also they have a women's only gym, which is usually really nice to film in, but sometimes if there's one other person in there, I feel uncomfortable filming because there's really no way for them to not be in the shot. And I know some people don't want to be on camera, so I just have to be mindful and respectful of other people in the gym. So I have the intentions of filming. I really want to, and hopefully I can make it work. Morris is home with Roman. He's having some friends over soon, but I do want to film a little bit tonight. When I get home from the gym, I'm gonna make my protein milkshake that I've been having post-workout, and it's so good. I want to show you guys the recipe, so hopefully I can film that too for you guys. I'm also sipping, I think I showed you in the beginning, I made my BCAs to sip throughout my workout, so I definitely feel like I need a little kick of energy, so I'm gonna keep sipping on this, and yeah. Okay guys, I just got done with my workout and I couldn't film it because the gym was so packed. I walked into the women's only gym and there was like 3 girls in there already, and it's a very small room, so I had to do my workout in the regular gym, and that was just so packed and there's just no good spot for filming. So I promise I will film my upper body workout sometime for you guys, just so you guys can kind of see what I do. But I did upper body, and then I did 12, 3, 30, except I didn't do it for 30 minutes. I just did it for 20 minutes. But yeah, so instead of showing you guys my workout, I thought I could show you guys what's in my gym bag. I think this is a little better. Yeah, so I thought I could show you guys what's in my gym bag. I always like watching those what's in my purse videos. I'm really like snoopy and I just like to know, so I'm gonna show you guys what I keep in my gym bag. So first of all, this gym bag is actually really old. I think it's so cute, but it is from Victoria's Secret and I've had it for years, and I think it was like one of those free bags, so unfortunately I can't link the bag, but I don't like put this in a locker. I carry this around the gym with me, so I have all my stuff on me at all times. So let me just start grabbing stuff out and show you guys what I keep in here. So first of all, I always have my BCAs, and I always bring water with me to the gym. This is just the Blender Bottle brand, and it's I think the 20 ounce, and then this I found at TJ Maxx, so can't link it either, but the gym water is really gross, so I always bring my own water. And then I always keep like a sweatshirt or a jacket in my gym bag. This one is hooded and it's actually from Amazon. I think it's like a Lulu dupe once again, but it's black. It's really flattering and it has like a hood, and it's that nice like stretchy spandexy material, and it's a zip up. So I'll link it below if I can find a link for you guys, but I always keep a jacket in my gym bag for either when I'm warming up, I will just like keep a jacket on because I always go with my coat now since it's cold out, or honestly you guys, most of the time what I'm doing with this jacket is wrapping it around my waist, because that's actually how I do like 90% of my workouts if I'm in the regular gym, because people stare, and that's a whole nother topic. But that's what I use the jacket for. Keep a face mask, and let's just get this out of here. So obviously today I had brought a tripod. Usually I don't just like carry a tripod around, but I just brought it because I thought I was gonna film. And then this little thing, so I don't know if you guys remember Ipsy bags, but I once got this as my Ipsy bag, and it's kind of like gym themed. It's like that gym material. I keep my tampons in this. I always keep like a little travel size deodorant, because I notice now, since I'm wearing a coat every day to the gym, I always have to like I feel gross if I just like put my coat on right after a workout. I always have to use deodorant, otherwise I feel like my coat just gets gross, and coats aren't very easy to wash either, so I always keep deodorant, and I always use this after every workout. And then I keep a little lotion, because I wash my hands a lot, like before, after, if I go to the bathroom at the gym, I always am washing my hands, and so I will always use lotion to moisturize. This is my favorite lotion. It's the I'm trying to remember how you say it, Sol Janeiro, and this is the Coco Cabana cream. It's so nice. It's almost gone, but it's like the best smelling and like most moisturizing. They also have the Bum Bum cream, which is really nice too, but I actually like this one the best. I just love the smell of it. And then I of course have to keep my bands, and this is partially, I have some equipment in my gym, I have some equipment in my bag, and I always carry my bag around the gym because I use my bands throughout my workout. Like I'll superset like a workout with bands. It's just a good way to superset, and you can get a really good workout in with bands. And then I also use for equipment this guy. So this is for kickbacks or glute kickbacks, donkey kicks, whatever you call them. I can like hook this to the cables and then wrap it around my foot and just do kickbacks that way. So the equipment that I keep in my bag is the main reason why I do carry a bag around the gym, because then I just have this at my disposal instead of taking it all out. Just preference. But yeah, I got this and my bands off Amazon a couple years back actually, and still in really good condition. So if I can find a link for you guys, I will. Of course, I have to keep hand sanitizer. My boss gave me this one last year for Christmas. It's just a Mary Kay Satin Hands Shea hand sanitizer, and it's a spray. I use this non-stop at the gym. Like every few sets I will just spray my hands, and then I always wash my hands after and before my workout, but this is just nice to carry around in between sets and use. And then I keep these gloves in my bag, and I feel like people kind of like make fun of you if you're wearing gloves, but I really don't care. I wear gloves all the time if I'm using like heavy weights, or like if I just feel like my hands are getting blistered, I will put gloves on immediately because I don't want blistered hands. And these I found at Target, but again, I got these a couple years ago, so I'll try to find them or try to find similar for you guys. But I do really like using gloves. I feel like it helps me grip better, and it obviously protects my hand. I also keep lip plumper in my gym bag. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I've talked about this before, but this is just my favorite like lip gloss slash lip plumper. It's so good, and I do use this at the gym. I don't know if that's weird, but I am just a freak about lip plumper, and I obviously have really tiny lips, so I will apply this every now and then. But I keep this everywhere. I keep it in my purse, I keep it in my bathroom, in my gym bag, so obsessed. And then of course I have my AirPods. Use these literally every workout. They're amazing. And then I have this. I really don't ever use this, but basically it's like it goes around your arm and you can put your phone in it. I would say it's more for like if you're running outdoors or something like that. But yeah, so okay, so that is everything I keep in my gym bag. I am so starving. I am gonna go home and make a protein milkshake. Okay guys, it is the next day. Yesterday when I got home from the gym, I did make my protein milkshake recipe, but Morris's friends had already shown up and I thought I was gonna have a little bit of time after the gym to film, but I just didn't. So I didn't film just because obviously, you know, not everyone wants to be on camera. Today is Monday. It's MLK Day actually, so I had the day off work. So I did get a workout in and I had a really good breakfast. And then we had some sushi for lunch. I've kind of been snacking on it throughout the day. It is 4:04 and I kind of want like a little snack before dinner, so I thought it'd be perfect to film my strawberry milkshake recipe now for you guys and just take you guys through, show you the ingredients I use and how to make it, and it'll be like a perfect little sweet treat before we have dinner. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Okay, so got everything in there. I did 2 scoops of protein powder. I did 2/3 of the Halo Top, and I kind of just estimated with the Oatly, oat milk, and then the strawberries. Let's get the lid on. And since it is a milkshake, you want it to be kind of creamy, so I tried not to put too much oat milk. Okay, this is the consistency. I obviously want it to be a little bit thicker since it's a milkshake, not a smoothie. So I try to limit the oat milk, but it looks like a good consistency, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. Morris is putting Roman to sleep, so I just came in here really quick to talk to you guys. The milkshake is so good. It like really tastes like a real milkshake, and I feel like using the Halo Top ice cream or just using some sort of ice cream and using real fruit is key. So obviously if like strawberry is not your thing, you could definitely tweak it to use like chocolate or mango or whatever type of milkshake you want to do, but I just really like strawberry and it's such a good recipe. I don't really use like exact measurements. I kind of just throw stuff together, and obviously keep in mind I was making it for 2 people this time, so it kind of looked like a lot, but obviously just tweak it based on if it's just for you or if you're making it for a few people, whatever you're doing. But yeah, so that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining in. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that down below, and I will see you guys next time.